Good morning, everybody. We're here to wash out another t-shirt. We got it outside with that freezing cold water. Gotta get all that outside residual off there and move it on inside to some nice warm water.
I can't wait. Let's see.
To the inside. There's a narrow gap there.
It is. I want to be able to shut the door.
I don't blame you. It's cold out here in the boonies, people. How should you take for a little bit quiet? We got it inside now with the warm water. We're going to get to start unbending it. We're going to start unbending it. Got it inside now. Think about swapping up the whole steel. I don't know. What is this, a heart?
Yeah, let's see. I don't know. Still cool. It's not a heart.
Kind of like a pink Nickelodeon sign.
I know.
Big circle.
You could put like your own logo in the middle of that.
This is a pre-graphic tee.
Yeah.
It's the graphic tee before the graphic. We're going to put a Mr. Fix-It logo right in the middle of this nice watermelon shirt we made here.
I know. Is that pretty? It could be like a watermelon.
Look at it one more time. Yeah, we'll put a logo in there. We'll do something with that, people. Let us know in the comments. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, look at that. Not a bad specimen, I wouldn't say. This was supposed to be a heart. Obviously it is not a heart. It's you know, an oval. But the beauty about tie-dyeing is there's never any mistakes. You know, only opportunity. And so we're going to take this opportunity to place a logo on this oval and make a cool graphic tee out of it. You know, we have a heat press and a die cut machine and all that, so we're gonna make something cool and press it to it. So this isn't the last time you'll see this one, but let us know what you think of this design, because we might have actually stumbled upon something pretty cool. We've been wanting to make tie-dye like graphic tees, you know, and we've tried all sorts of things in the past, but we want to make our own. Here's a way we could actually make one and then maybe graphic it afterwards. So press them afterwards. I don't know. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful shirt. Alrighty, folks. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. So have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.